Hello viewers, I hope you guys are fine. In today's episode we will know about affiliate marketing. So let's get started without delay. We discuss about search engine marketing in our last episode. Please check the I button. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a low-risk form of advertisement that companies and businesses use to promote their products or services. It is a completely performance-based process that all comes down to the affiliate's promotion efforts. Affiliate product or service promotions may include mentions on social media, reviews, blogs, vlogs, and podcasts, but the affiliate only makes a commission when a purchase is made through their personal link or recommendation. How affiliate marketing could benefit your business. High ROI. The demographics of your target audience are the first thing you should think about. If you don't know what your audience looks like, then you can't effectively select the right products and services for them. One of the main reasons affiliate marketing is so simple is because the affiliate you're likely to choose already has the most perfectly tailored audience, ready to influence. By funneling your marketing through an affiliate who has direct connections with your ideal audience, you're able to reach a highly cultivated group of people who are likely to provide conversions. Flexible strategy. You can give affiliate marketing a go even if you don't want to splash the cash. You can start with very little and scale your budget as the strategy proves its worth. Affiliate marketing offers great flexibility in terms of price and affiliate selection. There are countless affiliates in all industry sectors, which means that you won't be disappointed. Plus, depending on your affiliation, creativity has no bounds, especially if you find someone with a passion and a great following for what you do. Startup costs are low. With affiliate programs, you don't have to have an advertising team or need to buy ad space. That's because your professional affiliates will generate the marketing ideas, build content, and do the advertising for you. The only initial effort will be choosing the affiliates you want your brand to collaborate with. Once you have decided upon the right person or persons, your affiliates will deal with the ad visuals and decide on the most effective ways of getting your products or services under the nose of the business's target audience. Low-risk form of marketing. As affiliate marketing is a low-cost advertising method, it means it really is a low-risk way to promote your brand. Due to the way affiliate marketing works, it's perfect for low or tight business budgets because the only payment that will be made is when your affiliate generates a conversion. The average commission for an affiliate is between 10–40%. The amount of commission you're happy to part with will be a deciding factor of the affiliate you choose at the selecting stage. So, we know about affiliate marketing today. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. For next video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.